guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Radha here and you're watching me on my channel Radha Abhishek. So today I'm going to talk to you about how to choose a right kind of foundation for yourself, and this video is going to be part 2 of the series of my shopping makeup series. So let's get started with this. Foundation forms a very important part of your makeup. Trust me, if your foundation is wrong, all your makeup can go wrong. So it's very important to choose a right kind of foundation for yourself. As we all know, number one thing that you should look for in your foundation is that you should know your skin type. If you have got very oily skin, you can go ahead and choose a foundation which is souffle or it's a mousse base. If you have acne prone skin, you should never use a foundation which is stick form foundation because it can break you out. And if you have very dry skin, you should always choose a oily foundation, or you can choose a foundation which is not oily as such, which is oil based foundation, and it's a kind of hydrating makeup. Now suppose if you have a very dry skin and you choose a powder foundation, then trust me, it's going to dry you out big time. So it's very important first to know your skin type before you go ahead to buy a foundation. Second most important thing about the foundation is that it should be blendable. The color should be close to the actual skin tone. I never prefer choosing a color which changes my skin tone towards either side of the spectrum, because that makes you look absurd and you may end up looking like, you know, a clown or something who has just painted his or her face. So it should look like part of your skin. So it's very important that you stay close to the range of your actual skin color. Number 3 point, for me it's always important that before I choose a foundation, that what kind of effect I'm looking for. Am I looking for a full coverage or am I looking for a moderate coverage? For a person who has a lot of blemishes and a lot of things to hide on face, freckles and all, they can go for a foundation which has got a very high coverage. But for a person who has got a normal skin, flawless skin, I will not say flawless skin, but just a kind of, you know, good skin, they can always go for a foundation which gives the moderate coverage, because the whole purpose of wearing foundation in that case is to get a uniform sheen and on your face so that you can proceed ahead with your makeup. Number 4th point for me is that I think you should never test the foundation just on back of your arm, because this part of my arm, it has got yellow undertones, whereas my face has got a red undertones. So if I choose a foundation on basis of this, I sometimes ended up choosing a foundation which makes me look white, and I mean it looks quite awkward. So I always test my foundation on my face, which is my point number 5th, that you should always test the foundation on your face, and this is how it should be done. Number 6th point is that go ahead and ask for a sample. There is no problem. You can always tell the sales girl that I need a sample of this foundation before I go ahead, because there is no point in buying the stuff which you are never going to use again. And number 6 point is that how you want to test, you should test the foundation on your face. You should always test the foundation across your jawline. You can take a small amount of the foundation right then and there, and you can just put it across the jawline, blend it, and see if it's giving you kind of coverage which you are looking for, and is the color going well with your skin type or how you are feeling. Just try to get all those emotions at once when you are doing this. And now I think this is the 7th point. Let me see. Yeah, so point number 7 is that you should always test your foundation in daylight. Normally when we go to shopping or wherever, there are there are tube lights and white lights are there, so color testing is never advised. I have never found a right foundation choosing a foundation in a closed room or whatever. So whenever I want to buy a foundation, I take that foundation, go out in a sunlight, take a mirror from then and there, and then you just apply it and see that if it works well for me or not. So always test your foundation in daylight. Next is point number 8. I have written everything here in my diary, so in case if you might be wondering. So if if somebody just gives you a foundation and you do not like it, you don't think that it's the right color, don't be scared to say no. If you trust someone, you can ask your friend, your sister, your mother, whomsoever you trust. You can take that person along with you, and you can always show that if it's looking perfect on you, and if it's not looking perfect, it's perfectly fine. Say no, I don't need it now. And now the last point is point number 9, and in this point I say that when you know you are with the right foundation is when people say that you have the best skin ever. I think this is a quote from whom, I don't know, I heard someone. I'll, in case if I find, get to know who said this. These are not my words, I just wrote it here, but I have forgotten to write the credits who told me this. But yeah, I trust this completely, that the best foundation is the foundation which never makes you look like as if you are wearing one. It looks like as if it's just a part of your skin. So that is the best compliment if you have chosen the right foundation. So this was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and it will be useful to you. In case if you still have some queries, and if there are some parts or aspects which I have not dealt with, then go ahead, put your comments in the comment box. I'll be more than happy to know your queries, because I have done quite huge bit of mistakes. So in case I just asked you in my previous video, in case if you want me to review the movie I just watched. So I watched the latest movie Chashme Baddoor, and as I just told you guys that I love Ali Zafar, and I just loved him in this movie as well. And the movie is super fine, it's super great, one-time watch. Go ahead, and it's going to make your weekend good. But I believe that another actor, Siddharth, is amazing. He has got too good acting potential, and he's going to make big in film industry, because he's a true talent. And that's it, guys. I think that's enough for this video. I have talked a bit more. Okay, bye guys, and do subscribe to my channel and support me. And to my subscribers, I have tried looking into the camera, but this viewfinder is still distracting, so I'm still focusing on watching you guys through the lens of the camera, not finding you out in a viewfinder. And thanks for your updates and feedbacks, because they help me to make the videos more beautiful and more better and useful to you guys. Bye guys.